what is going on. So don't mind the generator, fan, and AC going. It's like 100 degrees outside, and I'm in my new workshop here. First video from inside the workshop. Thought I got a little unboxing today. Right there. Actually gonna be making a few different videos. First the unboxing, then I got a whole bunch of goodies right there. That's gonna be upgrading this thing. So let's go ahead and flip the camera around and let's just dive into this little box here, see what we got. I am gonna say in the beginning of this video, I don't really do a lot of unboxings, so therefore I really don't have a feel of what you're exactly gonna wanna know about this. So I'm gonna start off here in the beginning. If I don't answer any of your questions, put them down below, and I will do my best to get you your answers. So let me go ahead and get back to this unboxing. There we have it. PSA JAKL. Let me go ahead and pull it out, set it on top of the box, and we'll just do kind of a rough over of what we have here. Alright, so what is in your box? You will get your JAKL. You will get a coveted Palmetto sticker. And you'll get a bag. It'll have your owner's manual, magazine, lock. And as of June 7th, 2022, your JAKL will also come with a second gas knob, detent, and spring. I believe it's just an extra adjustable gas block knob to allow more tuning if you have a suppressor. So the first shipment did not come with the second knob. They stopped production and created the new knob, and at the same time also added in the feature of the detent and spring to keep people from adjusting it to the wrong position with the suppressor on and firing the gun and sending the gas adjuster off the gun. So they have fixed that. You will get 2 different gas block adjusters in your JAKL kit. At least that's as of now. That may change in the future, but that's what you're looking at. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around here. So there's your JAKL. It's got the ambidextrous charging handle, chamber flag, little JAKL engraved into the lower receiver. And your handguard right there. I will be right back. I'm going to run to the house, grab my tape measure so I can give you the dimensions of this. Alright, so I'll give you the total overall length with the brace folded out. It comes in at just a hair under 29 and a half, or 29 3/8 roughly. So go ahead and fold it in. And I'll give you that measurement. And this configuration. Locks in at 21 3/8 with the brace folded. So that'll give you an idea of your size. Basically 29 or 21. So the weight, it's pretty light, but that's to be expected with a little pistol, of course. Get the chamber flag out, take no magazine. Got some good spring tension on there. I'm not a, I'm 5'6", 5'7". That's where the brace comes to on me. So it comes to about the elbow. Let's see. Trigger. See what that feels like. Feels pretty standard. I'd say it's not a heavy trigger. It's not a light trigger. About how I prefer them anyways on my rifles. Let's see. Charging handle. It's a metal charging handle. I haven't read the owner's manual, so I don't know exactly how to change all that out, but I'm going to go ahead and pull the pins here. Give a good look at the internals. So, as you can see, it's basically your standard AR lower. It has this end plate cap here, which bolts onto the back where your buffer tube normally goes. I don't know why the camera's not focusing here. I'm gonna go ahead, I'll just hold the camera. So, standard, what looks to be a mil-spec lower, the end plate, which covers the buffer tube. There's what would be your buffer tube. It has this little end plate that it takes the folding brace. Your upper. You can see your spring assembly in there for your bolt. I'm not going to get too into taking this apart because I haven't looked at the manual yet, so that'll be the next thing I'll do. I'm sure other people will do those videos, but let's see, I'm trying to think anything else I could throw in there. Not that I can think of, but you know, then again, if you have any questions, put them down below and I'll try to do my best to answer them. Of course, you're probably going to find all kinds of information on YouTube everywhere else about this, but hey, this is just my unboxing video, so I'm going to go ahead and throw it back together, and then I'm going to dive into taking all some of this furniture off here, putting in all the stuff that I purchased while I was waiting on it to get here. So thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.